Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get started working on remote tasks in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for the official website of Remote Tasks, which is remotasks.com. When you are over here, simply click on the option of Start Earning Today or Sign Up on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you do this, you will be landed on the account creation page where you just have to basically create your account. Once you do this, you will get access to this type of dashboard in front of you where you are going to see your total pays, and then you can basically start tasking over here. But before basically doing it, you just have to complete this particular course. So you can first of all start this particular course by clicking on the start option. Then you need to complete your profile and click on the option of start tasking and complete your onboarding. So here, after providing all of these details, you just have to basically click on the option of start tasking. After that, it is going to give you some of the tasks which you need to complete. And as soon as you complete those tasks, you will be able to basically get paid for that particular task. They have also mentioned you how you can do it very easily. So click on the option of start tasking, then select your account, and then when you complete the task, you will see all of your payments over here on this page. You will see all of your rewards in the active section as well. So you can also view whether the payment from your tasks are in the process or in your account. So basically that's how you can start working on remote tasks. Just complete the tasks, complete the modules, and then get the money in your account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.